Hey y'all, this is Hadassah, back with another video, and you're watching HP Life and Style. I have officially joined the mini bag ranks, and I'm gonna blame Instagram for that. Yeah, I'm gonna blame Instagram. I'm gonna blame, they're the same. Instagram and YouTube are the same. So basically, if you don't want to buy more bags, then just stay off social media. I saw recently Kira over at Relax I've Had Coffee. Her channel, if you're not subscribed to her, go check her out. She just unboxed the Gelareh Micro Vanity. It is so beyond cute. Like, you guys really need to go check out her channel if you haven't seen it already. And then over on Instagram, Jack in My Bags, and Catrice Marie, gorgeous. Their mini bags look gorgeous. So I'm like, okay, I have to get one. So I ordered one on Friday. It is currently Thursday as I'm filming this. I ordered one on Friday and I wasn't getting any shipment updates or anything. And plus I saw another one that I really wanted and might actually like better than the first one that I ordered. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and order this one. Plus, you're able to check out with Amazon Prime, and y'all already know that means 2-day shipping. I was here for it. So I ordered it from Shopbop. This is what it looks like. It just says Shopbop on the box. Have your air paper, and then you get some Shopbop paraphernalia here. Actually, not even sure what this is. Oh, it has my like a return form in case I want to send it back. Yeah, that's what that is. Okay, and then okay, y'all, we have the bag. No dust bag. It's the bag. So let me take it out of its little plastic wrapping. Oh my, y'all, let me see if I can turn down my light a little bit. Oh, there it is right there. Y'all, look at that. How cute. How cute is this though? No, but really, how cute is it? And the side, the back, this is so beyond cute. The bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna open it back up. I'll open it up. Oh, the dust bag is on the inside. Okay, so this is the dust bag. There it is in focus. And you know what I love about this is it says how you treat others is more important than what you wear. And that is so important because you see a lot of people with nice, very expensive things, and they just treat other people horribly, which makes them a very nasty person, and no one likes them. But yeah, this, love it, love this slogan. And of course, it's so little because the bag is so little. I mean, it will definitely fit in there very comfortably. So now let's see what else we have inside. We have the strap and also some little bubble paper. Throw that down there. Okay, and let me take this off and attach it. So the strap seems like it's a pretty good length, and you just attach it here on the inside. If you can see, yeah, you attach it here on the inside. So I'm going to do that. So I've attached the strap there, closing it, and so yeah, it has a pretty decent strap drop, I would say. But let me just show you what it looks like in comparison with a phone that definitely will not fit in here. Okay, so this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Next to this, like it could fit inside the phone if it didn't have this handle right here. But it's so cute. Why is it so cute, y'all? Okay, and then we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So definitely not fitting either. No phone will fit in here, but it's so cute. You can hold it like this. I have this little number going on. I think I would just carry it top handle without the strap hanging down because it just kind of distracts from it. This is so cute. And then also, yeah, on the inside, it just has a tag that says Gelareh Mizrahi on it. And the inside is like a suede material. And this bag on Shopbop was less than $100, y'all. Oh, and Rakuten had 10% cash back, so y'all, come on now. And also, one thing, I had to check around for this one. I was like, it said Python, and I'm like, is this really a genuine Python bag? It's really apparently a genuine Python bag. So, yeah, that's the bag, y'all. I'm gonna do some mod shots. Just for reference, I am 5'9½". Yes, that ½ inch is very important to me. I always wanted to be 6'3" when I was growing up, but it didn't happen. But I'm 5'9½", and so you can keep that in mind when I'm doing my little mod shots. I'll wear it crossbody and everything. But yeah, when I was looking up this bag, I didn't see a lot of YouTube videos on it. Cassie Thorpe has one, but she didn't do an unboxing or anything. She just showed her, she has two actually, and she got one customized, so I'm actually thinking about doing that because my niece customizes things. So I'm actually thinking about getting the satin version of this and then having her maybe put my initials or something on it, just make it really cute. I'm thinking about it. It might happen. And so, but yeah, apparently Kylie Jenner, if anyone keeps up with her, loves this bag, and Stormi, her daughter, wears it because of course it's a little itty bitty teeny tiny mini bag. But this is too cute. Like I really can't get over how cute this is. So this is genuine snake skin. Oh, I didn't tell you what it was called. Do I know what it's called? This is called I think it's called the Itsy Bitsy Micro Mini. I think that's what it's called. Top handle, even though it comes with a crossbody strap. And like I said, they have different variations of this. They have the snake print, and then they also have the satin, and it comes in so many different colors. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. For those of you that are subscribed, thank you for subscribing and joining the family. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time.